Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Wonder what I'm doing today? We're going to replace or install a hopper window in this basement. This is what they have right now. It's pretty old, very inefficient. They get a lot of cold in here, they get a lot of humidity in the basement. So we're going to replace that, okay? I bought these stock windows and I have pre-made this wooden frame out of a pressure treated 1x4 because this is going to sit on a masonry surface, as you can see. So you want to use pressure treated lumber for this. All right, here we go. Let's get right into it. So here's your opening. It's 30 inches. I gotta bring it up to 34. Okay. So I could cut on either side of it, but the foundation is more deteriorated on the right side than it is on the left side. So I'm just gonna cut. I'm gonna open it up 4 inches this way. Now we gotta go inside and set up a fan to blow out. When we start cutting, it's a little chilly, so I don't want to use water. We're going to have to dry cut. So I'm going to set up a fan blowing out so the smoke doesn't go inside the house and then set off the smoke alarm. Alright, so set up a fan. This is the deteriorated mortar right here. See that? It's deteriorated because of all the moisture inside. So eventually that foundation will have to get repaired on the inside. Now we got to either cut this rock or remove it. It's not a big rock, it only comes around here. So we're gonna have to remove it. Okay? So we'll take that one out and that'll give us enough space to put our window in. And then we'll just rebuild this whole area here. We may have to reuse these later, so we'll keep them around. When the foundation is so deteriorated, so all of this we just have to rebuild. Verify that our window is going to fit in the opening, and then we're going to wash this to get rid of all that dust. First our window, right from the outside. Look at that, it's perfect. Okay, that gets rid of all the dust. Okay, you want to make sure you use some non-corrosive screws. These guys have a coating on it. That's not the right consistency. One rock at a time.